Oh man, look at that bubble. Today, we're making the ultimate wood-fired pizza right here in the forest.
First things first, you can't have a legendary pizza without the perfect dough. Let's get to work.
Mama's helping with the yeast.
Time to get your paws dirty. Mix it gently until it starts to come together. Looks like we have a new sous chef in training. Good job, buddy. Now, we let it rest. It needs a nap to double in size before we turn up the heat. While the dough sleeps, we wake up the flavors. Fresh, vine-ripened tomatoes are non-negotiable. A quick bath in the mountain spring. Only the cleanest ingredients for this family.
Watch the master at work. Chop them rough. We want a rustic sauce, not a smoothie. Fresh basil, you can smell that peppery sweetness right through the screen.
Oops. We need that for the sauce, little one. It's not a soccer ball.
Into the pot they go. Hear that sizzle? That's the sound of flavor unlocking. A pinch of salt, a dash of love. Let it simmer until it's thick and rich.
Sauce is bubbling. Now, we need heat. Serious heat. Dad's on firewood duty.
We're aiming for 900 degrees. That wood fire is going to give us that signature leopard-spot crust. Check this out. It's alive. Doubled in size and ready to stretch.
Punch it down. Listen to that air escape. It's ready to work. A dust of semolina so it doesn't stick. It acts like tiny ball bearings for the crust. Use your knuckles, not your fingertips. Let gravity do the work. Gentle, gentle.
And here comes the showstopper. A little spin to even it out. Now that is skill.
Whoa there! Someone got a little too close to the flour explosion.
Mom takes over for the sauce. Start in the middle, spiral out. Not too heavy, keep it light.
Now, make it rain. Whoa! Fresh mozzarella. This is the glue that holds our masterpiece together.
Pepperoni time. Lay them out evenly. We want every bite to have that spicy kick. The moment of truth. Slide it onto the peel. Shake it to make sure it's loose. Don't let it stick. Into the inferno. Goodbye for now, beautiful. See you in 90 seconds.
Look at that bubble bath. That is the sound of pure happiness.
Hot, hot, hot. Onto the board. It smells like Italy in here. Final touch. Fresh basil on top. The heat releases all that aroma. Listen to this. That is the sound of a perfect crust.
Come on in, everyone. There's plenty for everyone. Grab a seat, grab a slice.